EVS 1, Chapter 3, The Earth and its Living World. The Earth is surrounded by the atmosphere, means air, hydrosphere, means water, and lithosphere, means land. The biosphere spreads in all the other three spheres. The lithosphere. The Earth's crust is hard. It is mainly made of rock. About one-third of the surface of the Earth consists of land. Mountain, valley, pass, hill, hillock, plain, seashore are all various landforms. The lithosphere extends under water too. A vast continuous stretch of land is called a continent. The land on the earth is divided into 7 continents. They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, and Australia. Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest. Hydrosphere. 2/3 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Most of this water is in the oceans. Ocean water is salty. There are 5 oceans, namely the Atlantic, Pacific, Arctic, the Southern Ocean, and the Indian Ocean. The land along the margins of an ocean is called the coastal region. Water bodies of different shapes and sizes formed along the coast. For example, sea, gulf, etc. These water bodies are part of the ocean. Surface water. There are many streams of water flowing over the land. This water is not salty but fresh. These streams of water may be rills, brooks, streams, or rivers. Rills are the smallest and rivers the biggest. Rivers which join to make a bigger river are called its tributaries. In some places, a river cascades down a sudden drop. This forms a waterfall. All rivers eventually flow into the ocean. Besides this, water is found in lakes in the form of ice, groundwater, etc. The atmosphere. The envelope of air around the earth is called the atmosphere. As we go higher from the surface of the earth, the air in the atmosphere becomes rarer. The atmosphere consists of a mixture of gases, namely nitrogen, oxygen, water vapor, and carbon dioxide. There are some other gases too in the air in very small quantities. The layers of the atmosphere are named as the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere, and exosphere. How does it rain? Water on the earth evaporates continuously due to the heat of the sun. Water that has percolated into the soil also evaporates due to the heat and enters the atmosphere. As water vapor is lighter than air, it rises high up into the atmosphere. As it goes higher, it cools and condenses, forming very fine droplets of water. The droplets are so small and light that they float in the atmosphere, forming clouds. These small droplets join together and form bigger drops which are heavy. They cannot float. Such drops of water fall down on the earth in the form of rain. These processes of evaporation, condensation, and rainfall go on in a continuous cycle. This is known as the water cycle in nature. The biosphere. There are innumerable kinds of living things on the earth. The various regions of the earth differ in many ways. Thus, we see a great variety in the living things that inhabit these different regions. For example, polar bear is seen only in the snow-bound polar regions. Zebras are found in Africa and kangaroos are found only in Australia. Living things occupy parts of the lithosphere, hydrosphere, as well as the atmosphere. Living things and all the parts they occupy are together called the biosphere.